Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Lost Ark not opening. If you want to fix it, click here, and then first of course you will need to make sure that your Windows is updated, so just check for updates, and then if you find an update just install it, and then go to GeForce Experience. Now go to drivers, check for updates and install all the updates that you can find, and then install latest update for your GPU, and then go to settings, scroll down and enable image scaling, and that's it. I hope that can help you now just to start your computer, and after starting your computer, open Task Manager and close all the applications that you don't need in your PC's background, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.